Do you need to split an existing table into two separate tables? You can easily make the split by using the simple steps in this quick tip. Word provides a powerful table editor that allows you to create and modify data in tabular format. If you're working with large tables, there may be times when you need to split a table into two parts. For instance, your table might be getting too long for your taste, or you might want to move a part of a table to someplace else in your document. I have a table on the screen here that you can see, and it's not a terribly long table at all, but it will allow us to see exactly how to split this into two. All you need to do is place the insertion point anywhere within the row that you want to be the first row in the second split table. So for instance, you can see that I've placed the insertion point within the cell that contains the word 13 right here. Now we're going to go over and display the table layout tab of the ribbon. This option is only available on the ribbon if you have placed the insertion point within the table. The tool that we want to use is called Split Table, and it's right here within the Merge group on this tab of the ribbon. All I have to do is click on it once, and you can see that we have two tables now. It's split this table exactly before the row in which we had the insertion point a moment ago. These two resulting tables can now be treated independently within your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.